So when I don't know how to do something, I procrastinate it, and I've been procrastinating the wig for my Hattrem cosplay. It is the weekend before Denver FanExpo, the convention I want to wear the Hattrem cosplay to, and I don't have the wig, and I feel like the wig is going to make or break this cosplay. And all I know about wig styling is that you need to use heat to like style it, and then you have to let it cool in order for the style to like keep. So we're just gonna hope for the best right now. I have my steamer and my curling iron, and we're just going to throw heat at it and hope it turns out pretty. We have our steamer that is appropriately filled with water. I was tempted to overfill it, but it does say do not overfill, and I didn't want my silly thought process to be recorded on camera today. I'm gonna start with the bangs. I'm thinking those would be the best to go with. I have a comb here. I'm just gonna kind of let that just, oh, this is perfect. Huh. So Hattrem has like a very obnoxious curl. I want a big obnoxious curl in front. This curling iron isn't on. We like this, okay. I don't want the curling iron to be on because it only stays after it cools, and it's going to take a while for the curling iron to cool if I use the curling iron. So let's just use the steamer. Yes. Ooh, okay. But we want the ends to be like tucked under. Because I mean the end. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. We're going to use the hair clips to hold it. Okay. Yay. That's okay. Oh, nope, we're gonna keep that there. I'm gonna be wearing a hat, so it's really not that big of an issue. If like the hair underneath can be seen. See, what if I took this off and just had it like this? It's still like tangled on the top layer. We're adding to the supply list. We have brush, we have spray bottle with some water, and we have some spray leave-in conditioner. Okay, we are combating the frizz. The bangs are all messed up. All the progress that we made on this wig is gone, but that is okay. At least we know what we're doing and we have a plan. That is more than what I had before I started. The instructions for the spray conditioner is to dampen it a little bit. It smells like baby wipes. Okay. Yes, the frizziness, more or less, under control. Yeah. Okay, here we go, once again. Here I am, once again. This wig is making me fall into pieces. Oh my gosh, this one's even better than the first one. So I'm happy that it combed out, because this one is even better. Okay, we love this. Okay, it's hot. Yay! Okay, doesn't matter, it's gonna be covered by that. Just like this, I really like it. It's pretty. It's wavy. It covers the wig cap and should cover my hair when the wig is on. Now, we need a way to fasten this. Yay! I might need to get some bobby pins to make sure everything stays exactly where it does, but I like this wig a lot. The bows match the dress. Everything looks good together. Everything's the same color blue, and I think the wig makes the cosplay. Yeah, I love everything about it. I feel so girly. I love it. And then tomorrow I'm going to do my makeup, because obviously this makeup does not match the cosplay right now. And I will be painting this little 3D print that I have of Hattrem to carry around so everybody knows exactly who I'm supposed to be. So that'll be tomorrow.